Classic French country estate set in one of Santa Barbara's most private neighborhoods, the historic Hope Ranch. Resting on a vast 10 acres, this home boasts breathtaking views of both the Pacific Ocean and the stunning San Ynez mountain range. With a living space of over 13,000 square feet, plus 3,000 square feet of patios, this home encompasses the ultimate in California living, plus 2 exquisite pools, equestrian facilities, and a championship tennis court. Private gates open to an expansive residence with breathtaking grounds. The drive winds past the charming barn and across a bridge over a peaceful stream and adjoining pond, arriving at a grand motor court and porte cochere. Beautiful stonework adorns the home's exterior, while a charming wishing well sets in the entry's courtyard, all adding to the romantic appeal. Inside the spectacular main home, pitch beam ceilings, stone fireplace, French tile, and inlaid oak floors create a warm and elegant atmosphere. A grand living room, family room, den, and library offers endless opportunities for shared family time or privacy. The country kitchen boasts state-of-the-art appliances, 2 walk-in pantries, and a welcoming breakfast area. The formal dining room features a romantic fireplace and picturesque courtyard access. The stately first-floor master suite enjoys a private spa and lap pool, encircled by a rose garden with stunning ocean views. Upstairs, 4 large bedroom suites each have stunning hillside views, generous closets, and full bathrooms, while a fantastic media room provides a welcoming hub around a fireplace and wet bar. Outside, an impressive wraparound stone patio and sprawling lawns overlook a lighted tennis court with viewing pavilion and a lagoon-style pool, providing plentiful space for both entertainment and family recreation. At the front of the property, an exceptional stable hosts 3 horse stalls, each with run-ins, a feed room, and an attached groomsman's apartment adjacent to the riding ring. For the avid equestrian, Hope Ranch offers a marvelous riding trail system throughout with beach access. Completing this exceptional estate is a private walking path with exclusive access to Hope Beach, a highly coveted privilege to a famed piece of California coastline.